Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to reset your Roblox password without email. So the process is very simple. Firstly, open the Roblox site. So you don't exactly have to be logged in. So just simply open the Roblox site over here, then scroll down till the very bottom. Now click on About Us over here. Now again, scroll down till the very bottom. Click on Accept All or Reject All, totally up to you. And just simply click on Contact over here. Now you will be redirected to this page. So over here again, scroll down. And just simply click on Technical Issue over here, choose that. Now again, just simply scroll down till the very bottom. And now over here, just simply click on Roblox Support. Now over here, just simply click on Contact Us over here. Click on it. Now just simply click on this option over here. So just simply click on Support Form for if you need further assistance. Review the below information and fill out the form. So now over here, just simply add all of the names. So if you don't have your username, so over here, just simply enter the username that you had on your main account. Then enter your first name, your email address, and I will probably assume you don't have the email address. So just simply type in any email address that you currently have. Doesn't matter if the email address is linked with your account or not. Just simply add this email address because they will email all the information on your email address that you will place over here. So copy this email address and paste it right over here as well. Now issue detail, click on the drop box. Choose whatever platform you used to log in last time on your main account. So for me, it was PC. Now in the category, click on the drop box, choose account hacked or can't log in, click on the drop box, then choose forget password. Now over here in the description, just simply type exactly what I'm typing. So just simply type in hello Roblox, I have been logged out of my account, then account username, your original account username that you are unable to log in right now. Place that over here, then just simply add, I unfortunately don't have access to an email account and did not connect my email with this account. I would like to reset this password and enter a new password that you would like in your account. And after that, thank you Roblox. Now Roblox support team will check that what type of accounts were connected in your IP address, and after they find out your real account, they will email you the new information that you can use to log in into your previous account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.